Hi guys, I have brought a video of TRB for all of you. TRB has pumped a lot. There has been a massive pump. So people are looking for short opportunities in it. Our short position is already running from $60. I would like to show that to you as well. So friends, here you can see that our short position is already active here. And look at this. Look, we had given a short of TRB at around 12 o'clock in the morning from $60. Okay, first entry with 2x leverage. And you can see that now almost our target, i.e. fifth target, is also done. Okay, now our stop loss will be done. We have already set our stop loss to around 58. Okay, I would say to all of you that change your stop loss to 58. All our VIP users and free users should also do that. Okay, you can do it till 57 also. Okay, because now around 54, I will take you to the group. Join our Tech Help India Telegram group. We have created a Tiger group of MC in which you will be given VIP trades of free cryptocurrency, and there will be many events, and you will also get airdrop of giveaway. So to join that group, do join from our link, only then you will get to see it. Okay guys, rest. See this bonus. You can also join the future trading battle, which is going on. Okay, in which you will definitely get rewards. Deposit $100 and trade $500. Do a simple future trade. Say Wallaya, jo shikirate 5 times your volume will be $500, and simply you will also win a reward of 15 USD. You are going to get many more types of rewards in it, so do not forget to follow Telegram. And if you are on YouTube for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and definitely press the all notification button so that you get to see the videos on all channels first. Let's go. See, this LPT is running from LPT 60. Here I will try to explain a little bit about the chart. Now you can see here, we had this zone from 67 to 58. This was a heavy resistance zone. There were full chances of rejection from here. Okay, and FI has also broken 0.5. It has come up to 53.16. I had already shown you our target. You can see it here. Look at this target. I think it will reach almost here. It has blown away our target as well. It has blown away the fifth. There are possibilities up to 51.60, or it may reach 52.96. Now see, we have this support at 51, that is, at 52. You will place your stop loss. At least 55. When it reaches 52, you will place a stop loss of 55, and you do not have to open a short here. Remember, you do not have to open a short here.